Teacher Dia.
Waalaikumsalam, Khalid. Alright. For those who already forgot, last week we find the area of regular surface using square paper. Do you remember we count the small square in the exercise? Do you still remember? We count the small square. So we use square paper. Amir, after this you can continue playing with your Beyblade. Put it aside first. Focus on our science class first. Amma said he's using his new iPad. You already have your new iPad, so you have to utilize it. Okay, Amma, you have to focus in your class, okay? Later, you already say thank you or not to your parents for buying you the new iPad? No, not yet. Later say thank you to your parents, okay? Okay, Amma? Hi, Ryan. Okay. So, for our today's class, Adam Ryan also just joined our class. So for our today's class, teacher will share with you what is the example of irregular and regular surface. Okay. For regular surface, can you look at what I'm holding now? You see what I'm holding now? Okay, now teacher is holding a book. Okay. This book, when the surface is smooth, okay, when the surface is smooth, we can call them as regular surface. Can you pronounce together with teacher? Regular surface.
Regular surface.
One more time. Regular surface.
Regular surface.
Okay.
Surface.
Good job. So, regular surface, you can identify them when the surface is, what teacher said just now? When the surface is
Smooth.
smooth. Good job. Okay, smooth. Amma already answered smooth just now. Ame, Arayan, Christina, Zafif, Afiq, Khalid. Okay. So far, can you guys understand? You need to remember if I mention about regular surface, the surface must be what? Amma already shared with us just now. Waalaikumsalam, Kurata Ayuni. Okay.
Smooth.
Smooth. Good job. Smooth. Okay. Wafi, can you turn on your microphone? Okay, Wafi, just now your friend already shared with us when regular surface means the surface is what?
Surface.
The surface is what? If we call them as regular surface, the surface is smooth. Okay, Wafi may pronounce together with teacher. The surface is smooth.
Smooth.
The surface, the surface.
It's smooth.
Wafi. Yes, smooth. Good job. Okay. So, okay, thank you, Wafi. For those who just joined our class, today teacher will share with you what is the example of regular and irregular surface, and also we are going to learn about volume, a new thing today. Okay, so if you can look on your screen now, I'm holding a book. So the book is the example of regular surface. It has a smooth surface. Okay. So far, can you guys understand? Can you do the thumbs up if you understand what is regular surface? Okay, good job. For those who doesn't have any problem with your camera, kindly turn on your camera, okay? If you doesn't have any problem with your camera, kindly turn off your camera. It's easier if teacher can see your face so that I can see your reaction whether you understand it or not, so that I can take time whether I need to continue or I need to explain again, okay? But if you have problem with your camera, you can type inside the chat box if you have anything to ask me, okay? Alright, so the example of irregular just now. Alright, okay. So just now, teacher already share with you about what is the example of regular surface. So this What is this? What I'm holding now? What I'm holding now?
Water bottle.
A
Yes,
bottle.
Water bottle.
good.
Water bottle.
Yes, good job. Okay. Now teacher is holding a water bottle. So my water bottle now have regular or irregular surface. Which one? Regular or irregular surface? My water bottle have
Irregular surface.
irregular.
Irregular surface. Irregular surface.
What is
Correct.
everybody? Let me answer all the questions.
Okay, irregular surface. Okay. I cannot let you to hold it. Okay, but I think you just can imagine if you see from here. Okay. This water bottle. Okay, it doesn't have the smooth surface. Okay, the surface is not the same. From all sides. So that is why we call it as irregular surface. Okay, irregular surface. Do you guys know what is starfish? Have you seen a real life starfish? Starfish. Do you know what is starfish? No?
Yes, I know.
Yes, you know.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, I know.
Ah,
From Korea.
yes, but I never see a real starfish.
oh, you never seen a
Because
real.
I go to the I
In
don't know
the
aquarium.
Okay, so if you are lucky, you can see the starfish when you visit the beach, but sometimes they are not always there. But you can see the picture of starfish somewhere. So, can you write the answer in the chat box whether whether you think the starfish is regular or irregular surface? Starfish have regular or irregular surface. Can you write the answer in the chat box? Can you write the answer in the chat box? Whether you think the starfish have regular or irregular surface. Which one? Azra said irregular. The Miman also said irregular. Kalish say regular. How about everyone else? Surata Ayuni say irregular. Okay. Meka say
what is that?
irregular.
Oh,
Starfish. Starfish. In Malay, we call it as tapak
Nani?
Sulaiman. Wait, I will show you. Wait, I will show you the picture. Fish. Starfish, if you are lucky, you can see them at the beach, but they're not always there. I also just have seen them once, the real one, once in my life. Wait, I share with you the picture, okay? Okay, answer first. Later, teacher will share with you the picture of a starfish.
I know the starfish at
You know?
the beach. The
Uh,
starfish.
uh,
Sometimes starfish at the beach.
yes, starfish not always there, but we can find them at the beach sometimes. Okay, wait, teacher will share the screen with you, okay?
Yeah, I
Okay.
know.
I must say what is a starfish. Okay, teacher will share with you the picture of starfish. Okay, for those who answer regular and irregular, okay, let's see what is the shape of the starfish. Okay, before that, teacher need to make sure that all of you can see my screen first. Wait, I'm still sharing.
Yeah,
Okay, can you do the thumbs up if you can see my
yeah.
screen? Can you do the thumbs up?
You see me?
Can. Okay, Kalish, turn on your camera.
Okay.
Okay, so um look at your screen now. Okay, I'm going to show you what starfish looks like. Okay, for those who doesn't know what is starfish, okay, this is actually a starfish. This is
It's in the
starfish.
aquarium. Is it in outside of the water? Is
Yes, it's outside of water. This is the picture of starfish at the beach. Okay, you can find the starfish usually they
at
stay
the
at the
beach.
beach.
Usually at the beach. Yeah.
Guys, listen of your microphone. Okay, but
Oh,
if you
teacher, you this fact.
Huh?
Starfish can regrow their limbs.
Regrow?
Yes, they can
Yes,
regrow their limbs.
yes, correct. Starfish, they will grow bigger because it considered as one of the living things also. So like us human, we grow from baby into a bigger person or not, into a children, then later we will grow into an adult, correct or not? We grow or not? We grow or
Yeah,
not?
bro. Yeah,
Yes, we grow.
Teacher, why
Yes.
up beside the photo says the starfish has brain mean?
Have what?
The starfish has
the
Mm-hmm.
brain.
starfish has brain mean.
Oh, this one, there's some person on the internet asked, does starfish have a brain? But today we're not going to discuss that. We're going to look at the surface of starfish. So actually, the starfish have irregular surface. Okay. So just now teacher asked you, what do you think? Starfish have regular or irregular surface? But the correct answer is starfish have irregular surface. For those who already answered right, good job. But for those who got it wrong, don't worry. We can always improve. If just now you didn't know what starfish looks like, now you already know. So please remember that starfish have irregular surface. Okay. So far, can you guys understand? So far, can you guys understand? Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
Teacher, I just
Yes.
came.
You just joined our class. Okay, so for those who just joined, today we are learning about regular surface and also irregular surface. Okay, just now teacher already show you the picture of starfish. Okay, and starfish have irregular surface. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, can you see on your screen now? Can you see on your screen what I'm showing you? Yes, can you answer in the chat box? Yes.
yes.
Yes, okay. So you guys can see on my screen, I'm showing you square paper and also graph paper. Last week, we find the area of the rectangular, area of the square using this square paper. Okay, hopefully all of you already understand how to find the area using square paper. Teacher already checked most of the exercises that you sent in the seesaw. Well done. Okay, I can see everyone already understand. Hopefully that knowledge stay with you for a long, long time. Okay. So if you want to remember it for a long time, you have to share your knowledge with someone else also. Okay. All right. So let's move on to the next one. Okay. For regular surface, the example just now teacher already show you a book. Okay, book have regular surface. You need to remember if you heard the uh, word of regular surface, you just need to remember one thing. It have a smooth surface. Okay, it have a smooth surface. All right. For irregular surface, you need to remember starfish just now. Do you think starfish have a smooth surface? Yes or no? Do you think starfish have smooth surface? Yes or no? No. That's why we call it as irregular. Same goes to this leaf. Okay. Even sometimes when you touch the leaf, you can feel that the surface is smooth, but leaf we consider them as irregular shape. Okay, irregular shape. So for irregular shape, we need to count them. Okay, using graph paper, we can find the area of irregular shape using graph paper. Okay, please remember that one. Graph paper we use to measure the area of irregular surface. Okay, irregular surface. What you have to do is you put the leaf on the graph paper like this. Look at your screen. Okay, you put the leaf on your graph paper. Then you have to count. Can you see the small square here? Small square here. if the shape of the leaf exceeds half of the square, you have to count it. For example, look at these two squares. Okay, this first one that have a yellow tick here, the area of the leaf exit half. Okay, exit half of this square, but this one is not exit half of the square. So that's why we didn't count this one. So this is how you find the area using graph paper. If you look at the picture, can you understand it? Can you understand it, or you want me to draw for you? Okay, answer in the chat box whether you want teacher to draw for you or you can understand just by looking at the picture. Can you answer in the chat box? Answer in the chat box whether you want me to draw for you or you can understand by looking at the Azin, you okay? I type in the chat box. It's been since we've done this um online classes, so I don't want to repeat rules for many more times. Okay, I think you guys already know what is the rules for our class. So please follow the rules. Okay. All right. All of you want teacher to draw. Okay, I will draw for you. Okay, so that you can see it. All right. So wait. Okay, all right. For those who already understand just by looking at the picture,
But I understand. But I am understand.
but teacher will draw for all of you to see. Okay, hopefully it can help you to understand better. Okay. Uh, okay. All right. Teacher will draw. Okay. Wait. I'll share the screen with you. Okay, for those who just joined our class today, teacher is sharing with you on how to find the area of irregular surface. Okay, example of irregular surface. Just now, teacher already showed you a starfish, and also now we're going to find the area of a leaf. Okay, so Wafi, why Wafi?
No, I'm looking at his father.
Wafi is looking for his father. Wafi, are you okay? Wafi okay or not? Wafi?
Office, okay.
Wafi, are you okay? Okay. So teacher will share the screen with you, okay? Alright, so last week we have learned about how to find the area using square paper. Okay, we count the small square of the square paper. That one, we can use the square paper to find the area of regular surface. Okay, so for irregular surface, okay, stop chit-chatting in the chat box. Focus on what I'm showing you on your screen now. Okay, so this is how we find the area of irregular surface using graph paper. Okay, now we put the leaf on the graph paper. Look at the picture that I'm showing you on screen now. Okay, this graph paper, why this box and also this box? This one have yellow tick, but this one doesn't have the yellow tick. Why? Okay, teacher will show you why. Okay, so to find the area, you have to make sure that the shape of the leaf is exit half of the small square. Okay, I'm not going to draw the perfect picture because I'm just using my cursor here in my laptop, okay, to draw it. So it might not be same with the picture that I can draw on the whiteboard or paper, use a pencil. It might be different, but hopefully you guys still can understand, okay? So I will show you, okay. For graph paper, it have a square square like this, and also the small square inside, but teacher will draw the outside one only, okay? Okay, we have small square like this. Okay, now to find the area of irregular surface, make sure you need to use graph paper, okay? Graph paper. That day someone wrote it wrong. Grass paper. It's not grass paper. It's graph paper. Okay, this is graph paper. Okay, this is the real picture of graph paper. Just now is the version that I draw. Okay, now let's draw a leaf on top of the graph paper. Okay.
Teacher, like math book.
Like what?
Math book. Mathematic
Math.
book.
Yes, yes. For this topic, okay. Um, for this topic is actually a combination between maths and science. Ah. So that's why you have to focus properly because later if you understand how to do this, okay, let's say this topic pop out in your mathematics subject, then you can already answer because in science class you already understand, okay? So teacher already draw a leaf here. So this box we will count it because uh, the shape of the leaf, okay, is it half? Half of the square means, okay, this is first square. So half of the square means the shape of anything. This is we divide them half. Okay, so if the shape of the leaf is it half, okay, exit here, exit half, okay, exit half. Let's say the shape of square like this, okay. So this shape already exceed half of this square, so we will count them. We will count them in, okay. I will use red lah. Yellow is too bright. I will use red, okay. So we will count them. So far, can you understand about half? Can you do the thumbs up if you understand about exit half of the square? Understand? Okay. Can you understand?
I
Is,
understand.
can you do the thumbs up? Okay, all right. So teacher will show you again, okay? So what you need to remember, if the shape of anything, when we find the area using graph paper, if the shape exit half, okay, exit half, you have to count it. Okay, so now the square that located in the center here, exit half, okay, so we count it. Here, exit half or not? Here, exit half or not here? Yes, it is a half, so we will count it as well. How about here? Is it half or not? This one is it half or not? Anyone can answer, teacher? Anyone can answer, teacher? This one is it half or not? This one not exceed half because look on your screen, okay? Half of the square is like this. Okay, teacher already draw you, okay? So now, can you see the shape of the leaf exceed or not half? Exceed or not? Exceed or
No.
not? No. So we won't count this one. This one also. If half means like this half. So this leaf did not exceed half. So we won't count this as well. Okay. We won't count this as well. How about this one? Exceed half or not? Okay. Let's divide into half. So it not exceed as well. So we won't count it. Okay, we won't count it. This one, exceed half or not?
No.
No, so we won't count. Okay, not exceed half, we won't count them. How about this one? Exceed or not? Exceed or not?
No.
No, also. So we won't count them. So means the area of the leaf that teacher just draw, how many tick we have? How many tick we have? Can you count it?
Two.
How many?
Two.
Two. Two. So means the area of this one is 2 cm square only. Okay. So far, can you guys understand?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Can
Yes.
you do the thumbs up if you can understand? I can see you chit-chatting in the chat box. The things that are not related to class. Okay. All right. So hopefully you guys already understand what teacher explained to you. Okay. All right. So okay, I will stop presenting first because I need to check all of you can understand or not. Okay. So you answer teacher in the chat box whether you understand what I already explained to you just now or not. Yes, understood. Azra says she understood. How about everyone else? Can you guys understand? Because this topic is quite heavy, so I will make sure all of you understand first before I move on to the next one. Okay? Now first say he understand. Okay. For those who can turn on your camera, you can do the thumbs up if you can understand. You can do the thumbs up. Can I see everyone thumbs up if you can understand? Can Arayan can understand because Arayan is too near to the camera, so I cannot see whether whether you are doing the hand gesture or not. Understand? Okay, Alhamdulillah. Afiq also. Okay. All right. So hopefully you guys can understand. Inshallah. If you understand how to find the area of regular and irregular surface, so later when this topic pop up in your science subject, in your math subject, inshallah teacher believe all of you can answer it. Okay. All right. Azra said and little to understand opening. It's okay when we learn something new. Okay, we just need to practice. Okay, when we learn something new, we just need to practice. Okay, to master them. Oh, Asif also say he understand. Alhamdulillah. If you guys understand, means the objective of my class today is achieve. Okay, because teacher wants you guys to understand how to find the area. Okay, I will share with you the screen again because just now I show you the screen of I'm drawing the area, the leaf, and how to find it. So you just need to remember in order to find the area of irregular surface. Okay, you can use graph paper. Graph paper, then count the area that exit what? Area that exit what teacher say just now? Exit what? If using graph paper, we need to count area that exit half. Okay, half of the square. So you count it. Look on your screen now. Look at your screen. Okay. So if you can see here, this square. Okay, this square. The shape of the leaf didn't exceed half. So that's why we didn't count them. For this one, it exceed half, so we will count that we tick with yellow tick here. Here also exceed half, we will count it. Okay, here exceed half, here full square, so of course we will count it as well. So look at the differences between this one and this one. Okay, why we count this one? Why we tick on this one? Because the shape of the leaf exceed half. This one, it did not exceed half. Okay, that's why we didn't count it. This one also, it didn't exceed half. Okay, so if using graph paper, we need to measure. We need to take the square that exceed half. Okay. So far, all of you understand? So far, all of you understand? Yes?
Understood.
Okay.
Understood.
Alright. So you need to
Understood.
know, all of you already can open your, already can open RVS portal or not? RVS page. All of you can open RVS page? Can
I
open
can.
RVS? Can.
Mama said
Okay.
cannot.
Amma still cannot. Okay.
Yeah, I
Uh,
see it's two like this.
can. Okay. For those who still cannot, no. Okay. I may say no. Oh, still many of you couldn't open your RBS page because there, if you open the RBS page, it has many games. You can watch the video. So, it's great if you can join it, but it's okay. Later, teacher will share with you on how
Yeah, I
to
can. I can.
can. Alice
Yeah,
can join.
yeah, I can. Yeah,
Uh, all right. Listen to
uh,
my instruction. Listen to my instruction. It's okay. Teacher will help you on how to log in into the RBS web page so that you can do the revision there. Because let's say if you wanna watch the video, the educational video about certain topic, but not all of the topics there because our studio team is still working on it. They will upload the video soon, okay? But for the game, teacher already upload the game for you there. So let's say if you want to do the revision, you can open that RVS web page. Because we have prepared so many material for you there. So it's great if you can log in. It's okay for those. How many of you already can log in? Kalish already, Kalish. Kalish, Kalish already can log in. For those who already can log in, you can log in your RVS page and go to the classroom. Then find games that you can do the revision there. For those who still cannot, teacher will teach you how to log in on your RVS web page. Okay? Okay. Inshallah, teacher will teach you
Teacher, my
today.
account is broken.
Huh? Your account is broken.
Yes, I
Ac-
can
ac-
enter RVL except other things.